Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 plate 420D M Sport Gran Coupe in Estrel Blue. Alongside a very nice exterior colour, the vehicle also features a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, as well as a set of brand new 20-inch CS style alloys in frozen black. It is a facelift model, so we've got the lovely darkened LED headlamps up front, and I'll point out the rest of the facelift items as we go around. You'll see it's a very clean and tidy example. We've got BMW gloss back air breathers, our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and a full black Dakota leather within the interior. Both drivers and passengers can enjoy the electric lumbar and heated seat options. As you can see, the interior is very clean and tidy. We have got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which works very nicely with that 190 brake horsepower 2-litre diesel up front. Moving on to the rear, where you'll see we have a 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench, central folding armrest, and a darkened M Sport headlining. Before heading to the very back of the car, again we want to show you off these fantastic frozen black alloy wheels, which really do suit that Estrel Blue very well. The rear spoiler is the carbon effect, and we've also opted to go for the high gloss rear diffuser. If you've not yet seen the boot capacity for a 4 Series Gran Coupe, not only will you like the fact it is an automatic opening and closing tailgate, that is a very large boot space as well. And you can see there we do have split folding seats, as well as removable bottom and top parcel shelves. At the driver's side, we can show you again, it's a very clean and tidy example. And the Estrel Blue, even though the lighting is beginning to get a little bit dark, nights are drawing in, you can see it's still a very clean and tidy, as well as a very shiny vehicle. And we're going to hop on board and just walk you through a couple of the major talking points and features, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen, which has also had a facelift on this vehicle. So you can see they've separated everything into nice little sub menus. We'll begin with the navigation. This utilises real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. In terms of keeping you connected, we've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, and a great amount of multimedia inputs, DAB, music collection, and your usual USB and AUX inputs, as well as that pre-mentioned Bluetooth audio. Down here you'll see the dual climate controls, along with the switches for the heated seats. In terms of mileage, the car has covered just over 45,000 miles. The next oil service for this car is not due for 14,000 miles time. I did mention at the start the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. You can see it does come with cruise and a speed limiter option, along with full BMW service history as well. So there is a look around another very nicely presented 4 Series Gran Coupe, this one being the 2-litre D model with that superb 8-speed. So thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around. I do hope you find it useful. Should you want some more information on the car, you can check out the links below that will take you through to our website, or alternatively you can get in direct contact. Thanks very much guys, do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.